Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video to say hello. Hope you guys are all doing well, staying healthy, practicing social distancing so that hopefully we can get back to normal. Maybe you can see my new coworker here. We'll see how long she stays with us for this video. Also part of this video, I just wanted to show you guys how to access Canvas so that you guys are accessing the correct Canvas, Central Dauphin's Canvas, and not any other Canvas site. So on my screen here you can see just the Central Dauphin school district page. I think this is the easiest way to make sure you're getting to our Canvas. So cdschools.org, when you're on this you can click the student link. You'll find a number of applications, scroll down until you get to Canvas, click on Canvas, and it's going to bring you to this page. So at this page you'll put in your username and your password. If you need your password reset or reset before we left school and you didn't get a chance to change it, I can help you with that. So if you need that, please send me an email. I can reset it. I'll send you an email back of how to change your password. That way you can access all of your school applications. Okay, so you'll log into Canvas and then you'll go to a dashboard. Now my dashboard's obviously going to look different than yours, but you guys all should be enrolled in Honors Geometry. So you'll go to your Honors Geometry page. If you had been accessing Canvas up until this point or looking at it at all throughout the year, you saw that I had a whole bunch of modules there. I deleted all of those modules just for convenience and to eliminate any confusion. Should you need any of those old files, they are still there under files, but I don't think we'll need that for the rest of the year, which is why I just deleted them. Just so everything is right here and you're not digging through a bunch of modules to get what you need. So right now, you guys will be able to see this module. This is the only module that I have up there for now. And this is all that I want you to do for the week of April 6th. So April 6th is what they're calling our soft rollout, just making sure that everybody has access to the technology and can access it correctly. So this is all that I want you to do. And you do have to complete all of these items. These items are going to be a prerequisite for the other units when we actually start the online learning and grading items and the lessons the week of April 13th. So what you can find on this module, first part here is the course syllabus and outline, which the link to this is also part of this email. So here is our syllabus and outline, my contact information, important contact information for CDHS, such as principals, guidance counselors, all those people that are important. Office hours, Zoom office hours, so you can see those there, and there's more information about this in my contact information and office hours page in Canvas that you'll read about. Let's kind of look at the course structure while we're here. So for each lesson, my plan is I will have a screencast of me going through the notes and the examples. I will also be posting a PowerPoint in PDF form for your convenience that you can look through prior to watching the screencast or as you watch the screencast. Feel free to print it out. You are still highly encouraged to take notes during the screencast, just as you would if we were in class. That way you can use your notes to help you do the homework assignments and to prepare for the quizzes and tests. So with each lesson, you will also have a Canvas assignment that goes along with that lesson. These Canvas assignments will count as homework points, classwork homework points, and you will have multiple attempts for these that are homework assignments. There will also be quizzes, and the quizzes will be done either on quizzes.com or as Canvas quizzes, and there will also be tests. For the quizzes and tests, most likely they are going to be timed, and you will not have multiple attempts like you did for the homework and classwork. What this means is that you're still going to have to be prepared for a quiz or a test, just as if you guys were in class and would need to prepare for those. Also on this page is a tentative course outline. So you can see here for the week of April 6th, all that I need you to do is complete this survey that I'll show you. And I need you to do that by the 7th, which is Tuesday. Then you can see April 13th, we're going to start our notes and our assignments. All assignments for the week are due by midnight, 11:59 p.m. on Friday of that week. Okay, so keep that in mind. So you can see through this outline, I have the assignments for each week as well as what type of grade they count towards. So these are going to be like homework, classwork grades for some of the Canvas assignments. There are going to be things that are not graded, that are just review for you guys to get ready for tests and quizzes. There are going to be quiz grades, and there's going to be 2 assessment grades. So this outline is subject to change as we go throughout. That's why it's a tentative course outline. It kind of depends on how the course goes. Of course, this is new for me, so we'll just kind of have to work through it as we go, and it will change. And so I'll be updating this document as we go throughout the course, and it will automatically update for you guys. Let's look at what else is in this online learning module. So also in this module, you'll see the course expectations. They're pretty simple, so I want you guys to read through that page. You'll see the contact information and office hours, so this page will detail how the Zoom office hours will work, so make sure you read through that page. This is just a link to those important school emails that was also in my syllabus. And then this is the important part for next week. So this is the student survey. When you go to the student survey, it's a link to a Google form. A few quick questions on a Google form about your accessibility, just so I know everybody is able to access Canvas. This is going to tell me that, hey, I was able to get on Canvas, so that way you're ready to do this online course. So please complete that by April 7th. And if you have trouble getting to that, it's extremely important that you send me an email so that we can make it work, because this is where our course is going to be found. Okay, so if you have any other questions, please email me. I want you guys to be successful in this new online experience. And also please be flexible and patient with me. Like I said, this is new for me. I'm assuming an online course is new for most of you guys. And so we'll have to just work together and make it work. And I think it'll go great. Okay, so thanks for listening. Let me know if you have any questions.